Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect lighting setup, then let me introduce you to this one.
This is a 10.5-inch ring light with a fantastic mount from Vimose. I am so impressed with the quality of this. It has a super easy clamp that just goes right to your desk or any countertop surface, and it has this really awesome rotating arm. You can rotate this 360 degrees, and it really is so perfect. It even comes with a cell phone mount for it, and it cycles through those three different colors that we all need. I love how convenient this is that I can tuck it right behind my monitor and pull it out when I need to make content or do any live streaming. It is such a lifesaver for that good lighting.
I really love how convenient this is. It is the perfect thing for my streaming setup and any other content creation I need to make. I am so impressed by it, and I think that you are going to love it too. And that's my point of view.